Hey guys, alright guys, so today I am going to be unboxing this Linux car radio stereo for the Toyota Camry, and this one actually fits 2007 all the way through the 2011 models. Let me tell you, I've been waiting and wanting to upgrade my factory radio for a while now, so let's get into it and I'll give you my honest thoughts as we go through everything. And I'm actually glad that the brand sent this over so I can share with you guys. Now let's talk about what's actually in the box. They do include everything you need for installation, which I totally appreciated. You've got the wiring harness, the mounting hardware, and a backup camera. It's all in there. So you're not going to open this up and then have to run back to the store or wait another delivery just to get it set up. That's a big plus right there. Now let's get into the features because this is where it really starts to get interesting. First up, CarPlay and Android Auto. And not just wired, but wireless too. So if you've got an iPhone or an Android, you can connect completely wire-free and still get full CarPlay and Android Auto on the screen. And what that means is Apple Maps, Google Maps, Spotify, Waze, your messages, phone calls, all of it showing up right on this 9-inch display without ever plugging your iPhone in. And if you prefer the stability of a wired connection, you can do that too. So it gives you both options, which is great. On top of that, you got Siri and Google Assistant built through the voice control. So you can literally just talk to it and handle calls, navigation, music, all without taking your hands off the wheel. Now, the audio side of things is where I wasn't expecting much and actually got pleasantly surprised. There's a 10-band EQ on this thing, which for a head unit in this price range is genuinely impressive. So here you'll notice the unit itself, and it is a 9-inch touchscreen. Just holding it, it feels solid. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, which was honestly my first concern going into this because you never really know what you're getting until you have it in your hands. This screen is an IPS display running at 1280 by 720. And even just powered off, it looks really clean. The bezels are slim, and it looks like it was made to sit in the dash naturally, which is important because nobody wants an aftermarket head unit that looks out of place. Now, I will tell you that one thing I will say is that this isn't a deal breaker at all, but make sure before you buy that you double check that your specific center console shape and your exact model of the year. They do mention this on the listing, so I just wanted to bring it to your attention. Now, the console shapes can sometimes vary, and you just want to make sure it's going to be the right fit before you commit. Now, overall, this is amazing.